Welcome in, cruise fam. Star of the Seas arrived in Port Canaveral today. It's new home port, and we were there live this morning. The live stream is on our video. This is footage from the live stream. We downloaded it, made it into a quick video so you can see the amazing arrival. Hit that like button. Thank you so much. Enjoy. There she is, first
got
time.
The big letters on the side like you like to.
I know. Jennifer. Thanks for coming. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe if you're new. We're out here every weekend. Just get some videos that you know. Very first time pulling into her home port.
This is awesome, guys.
Yeah, August 31st will be the official first inaugural sailing. I think that's because we'll have actual paying customers that day. Here we go. Thanks for coming with us, everybody. This is amazing. Star of the Seas is 1,198 foot long. Awesome.
Oh my gosh. So cool.
Now getting this close-up view is going to be tough. I think I should just get over to people or try to get right like down here and angle up this way. Which one?
Just like that is fine, honey.
I know, but I'm saying as it goes by, I want that. You're so welcome. Thanks for coming in. I'm going to try not to get in anyone's way, but I want to get this cool shot right here. Look how awesome this one is. Thanks for coming in, everybody. We are Chases around town. We go live every weekend watching the cruise ships. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. I love it. This little room right here. Sorry. Oh, that's so cool. You see those like things up top?
Oh my gosh, that thing is awesome.
You can zoom on it right into the... I'm not even gonna zoom in. I love this view right here. It's perfect. That is cool. That spot you can see right in. Yeah, the other day we saw it was coming in. Loyal to Royal. I'm so jealous. I want to try to see the back of it. Not your way, baby. Oh yeah, I see it says Pearl Cafe. It does say that in there. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, look at the back of this one. If you're going on this cruise ship, I am so jealous of you. Tanya, good morning. Again, I'm going to show you the crowds though. She's beautiful. So I wonder if she's probably going to have to turn around and then, or is she going to dock that way? Gary, I'm telling you, so many people in here this morning. Please hit that like button, spread the word for us. Here's the back of it. Star of the Seas. I love the way the back of these ships. Auntie Kim, when you rewatch this one, look at the back. We're not going to go anywhere. We're going to see if it's going to do the turnaround down there and then pull in, or what it's going to do. So don't go anywhere. We're going to stay out here for a little bit longer. Right on time, Michelle. Good to see you. That was cool. Riley, right now I'm feeling this one. I think I'd want to see this one. Oh, thank you, Samirzen. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the fam.
Wow.
I'm glad we made it.
That was beautiful. She's so colorful too. You can tell like on the top deck and the back, all those bright colors.
Yeah, all the colors are so cool. All the slides up there. I know, we keep saying wow too. Chuck, hello.
Hi Chuck, welcome. Glad you're joining us this morning.
Yeah, so she's gonna go turn around in the usual spot. Unless she's docking facing that way, you never know, but I'm guessing she's gonna turn around.
And come to this Terminal 3?
She's going to Terminal 1, which is right by, I think, Rusty's or
Gators Dockside.
Gators Dockside.
Oh no, it's probably the one right by Grills.
Oh no, yeah, it's either Grills or
That's the one that
Fish Lips, maybe?
Utopia always is at.
Yeah, it's going to Utopia's spot.
So that's the one by Grills. Oh my gosh, so cool.
Captain Jaden, you're so welcome. Thanks everyone for coming in. Even if you're just coming in just to catch a quick view, we truly appreciate it. 2 Sea Fox, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm trying to hold it steady. Oh, it'd be great if they would have used Terminal 3 and pulled right here.
I know.
Awesome figure. Good to see you, Mr. Clinton.
Hi,
welcome
figure.
in, Heather. IRL, thank you, IRL Ship Spotting. Check out his channel. Icon and Star have 5 bow thrusters instead of 3 or 4. That's cool. Mayor Best watching from her balcony. Thanks for coming in. Yeah, thank you so much,
I know,
Patty.
Chuck, isn't
I
it?
cannot get it where I want it. Hold on there.
We
We're
got the
going up,
best
down,
cruise
up, down.
fan
We're just
here.
going to keep it right here. Woman 406 going on in 62 more days. That is amazing. Jennifer, we do have some patience. Loyal to Royal, it's been fine.
I probably have a little more patience than Chase, to be honest.
Yeah, for sure. But I don't need a lot of patience with 6th graders. They just listen.
2nd graders are cute, Michelle. It's my favorite grade. I love teaching 2nd grade.
My first week has been great, to be honest. Why is that zooming up like that? Hold up. Yeah, it's been an easy week. The kids aren't in. We just have a bunch of classes and things like that. I cannot get it where I want it, guys. Sorry, I keep moving. Hold on. Oops. Oh my gosh, I'm a mess right now. That's right, Disney Vibe, welcome. Ron will be sailing on her next Saturday. That is so cool. I wish I was too. All right, there we go. All right, let me stop messing with it. See, look, it's moving automatically. What's it doing? All right, there we go. Now she's backing up.
You see those two birds up there?
Yeah.
They were just sitting on our chairs.
No, they weren't.
Yes, they were.
Baby, I'm glad you ran them off. Loyal Royal. That's the truth. Go ahead, Royal. We're going to stay out just a few more minutes. Because, again, we're going to be back out here for her departure later today. Nutter butter, good to see you.
I feel like a lot of teachers get to that point, Jennifer, towards the end. But it's changed so much, too. It ain't like it used to be. Good morning, Nutter Butter. Yeah, Jetty Park opens at 7. Did you already answer that?
Nope.
Jetty Park opens at 7.
Well, not bad. No, there was nobody behind me. I'm going to try to back up a little bit. No, I might be able to get you where I want it.
Yes, Woman 406. You can come right here where we're at. It's just the boat dock next to Jetty Park. Before you enter Jetty Park, you just turn into the boat ramp.
Jarvis said, I think I'm really about to book Star right now. Do it.
Right? Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. The most beautiful girl.
This thing is just moving wherever it wants to right now. The gimbal. Who is that? Sorry, hold on, everyone. It's 2C Fox, thank you so much. This is just the iPhone 16 Pro. We actually have it on a gimbal right now. That's why it's moving around so much, and I got it zoomed in. Yeah, I'm telling you, it just keeps gliding up on me.
It's too far.
Yeah, she's getting turned around now.
Oh my gosh, look who's back, honey. The big dinosaur birds.
Uh-oh, the dinosaur birds are out.
Those things tried to attack me last weekend.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. And it's good. We can see the rocket. No. KFO2 it's on. No.
Awesome, 3 minutes a day. Yeah, they turn around like it's nothing, too. Look, now it's just zooming on back like it don't even need to go forward.
Those pilots know what they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Michelle. I'm
Joan,
sure
it
your
is just
hubby
by a little bit.
will love waking up to that.
All right, everyone, what do you think? It's supposed to be the last one. Look at this beautiful morning sky, though.
Use your social media channel. You can show all my social in there. It's just free social media. Social media free advertising.
Oh, hi, Carol. Welcome. She is beautiful. Just rewind the stream. You'll see we had a up-close view of her coming by.
Thank
She's
you,
docking
IRL.
at the terminal now.